Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of one of the most talked about platforms in the online course industry, Teachable. The link to Teachable is in the description. Teachable has long been a favorite among educators and entrepreneurs for its user-friendly design and comprehensive features. But as the online education world grows, it's important to see how Teachable stands up in the current landscape. First up, ease of use. One thing's for sure, Teachable remains incredibly user-friendly. Its intuitive interface makes course creation a walk in the park. Whether you're uploading videos, structuring your curriculum, or tweaking settings, Teachable keeps it straightforward. Next, customization. Teachable's design templates are modern and sleek. They may not offer a vast selection, but what's there will cater to most needs. Plus, with customizable branding and content options, your course can really stand out. When it comes to monetizing your course, Teachable has you covered. From various pricing options to advanced sales tools like upsells and order bumps, it provides everything you need to turn your knowledge into revenue. But what about community building? Here's where Teachable doesn't shine as bright. It lacks built-in community features, relying instead on third-party integration. If fostering a student community is high on your list, this could be a drawback. On the plus side, Teachable offers great integrations for marketing automation and workflow enhancements. And if you ever hit a snag, their support team is responsive and their tutorial library extensive. So, the big question, is Teachable worth it in 2024? The answer is a resounding yes, especially if you value ease of use and solid sales features. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.